How to fix Snapchat public profile problem on Snapchat, of course. Today, guys, I have the solution how to solve and fix this problem on Snapchat. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open Snapchat and you will go directly to apps or application. And on apps or application now, you will search for Snapchat. And when you will find Snapchat, you will just open it like this, and you will go to storage, and you will click clear data like this and click OK. Then you will back again and click on force stop and click OK again, and you will go to now to Play Store and you will update Snapchat again. And that's it, guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.